The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to update the program curriculum within Curriculog. The first step is create a new proposal. For the purposes of this video, we are going to demonstrate how to revise a program. Find the proposal that you want to use and click Start Proposal. The first step is to always turn on the help text. Follow through each step and choose which options works best for you. For this one, we're going to indicate that we are changing the program curriculum. Choose your effective date and follow each step below. Next, we're going to import from the catalog. Select here, choose the catalog, and then click Search Available Curriculum. Scroll down until you find your degree. Select it. All of the data is already selected here. Click Import this item. Complete each step. Here, if you're editing the description, edit that here. If you're changing any of these fields, change those here as well. Here we're going to move on to the program curriculum. When you scroll down, if there are no courses that appear here, stop immediately and email curriculog@westga.edu. This section is tied directly to the catalog. If you click a preview here, this is how all the program information appears in the catalog. I'm going to move over to the catalog to show you what we're talking about because we have a lot of confusion as to what cores are. Cores are basically just headings in the catalog. So if you click over to the catalog and you go to Programs of Study, we're going to show you this program right here since that's the one that we're editing. Here's the information. So the cores are these headings up at the top. So one core is Program Requirements, and you're going to have a subcore, and it lists all of the courses under there. You also have notes. So any heading is considered a core, and all the courses within the program are listed here as well. So going back to Curriculog, if we're wanting to add courses to the curriculum, well, first let's go back. Let's delete courses. If you're taking a course out of the program, there are two steps that you need to do. First, you have to delete them out of the schema. So you're going to click here, and if you're taking that course out of this section here, if you're taking out CRIM 6000, you have to delete it here first by clicking the X. Once you delete it there, then you're going to go to the curriculum courses and you're able to remove that here. You cannot remove it from the list of courses until you remove it from the schema. The next step is if you're wanting to add a course, there's two ways. If the course already exists and it's in the catalog, you're going to click Import. When you do that, select the catalog and filter by field. For courses, always filter by prefix. Hit the prefix there and put Search Available Curriculum, and it's going to give you a list of all the currently approved criminology courses. If you're wanting to add multiple courses, you just select multiple by clicking on the mouse. If you scroll down, it's going to show you the courses that you selected. If you hit one by accident that you did not want to choose, just remove that from your cart. After you've added the courses that you want to add, you just click Add Courses to the proposal. By doing that, they'll then appear here in this list. Now, if it's a new course that you're submitting for the program, you can manually enter that. You're going to click Add Course. You'll need the prefix, the code, which is the course number, and the name of the course. Click there. I will show you how to do that. CRIM 7000. And we're going to just say test course. Click Add Course, and now you're going to see that course here in the list. If you are doing a core program for undergraduates, you don't have to import each individual course. If you're doing a new program, you can actually import the whole entire general education curriculum, and it's going to pull all of those courses in, and then you can build those at the 4,000, 3,000 level as well. If you are adding a new course that's brand new, don't forget you also have to submit a separate proposal for adding a new course. So after step 2, you've added the test course here. Now you've got to add it to your core. You're going to click View Curriculum Schema. And if you're going to add it to all of the required courses for this program, just click Add Courses. And you'll see there's that course that I can add. The most important thing to remember is this section here is tied directly to the catalog. So if you do not update here, it will not update in the catalog. And that could cause a lot of problems because it could be listing courses that aren't in the program any longer, or it doesn't add courses that should be there. So please make sure to follow steps 1, 2, and 3 when adding or deleting new courses in your program. Next, I'm going to show you how to build a program from scratch. To do so, you're going to go back. You can just click Curriculog up here at the top. You're going to create a new proposal. Select the one for a new program. Click the check mark. Here you're not importing, so you're actually going to manually type in all the information. Don't forget to type or click Show the Help Text. It gives you a couple little extra tips on each of these fields. Fill in each field until you get down to the program curriculum. And this is where we're going to build it all from scratch. So since we didn't import, notice that there's no courses with your program. So we have to add all of your courses. So for undergraduate, you're going to click Import, and you're going to search by this. It's called UWG General Education Curriculum. That will pull in all the core. So then you have to add in all the courses in addition to the core. Remember, if they're already in the catalog, already in existence, you can just import those in. But if they're brand new and it's a new program, you have to add those in. Don't forget, you have to complete a new course request proposal if it's a brand new course as well. So we're going to import some courses. This is for a graduate program, so it's not going to have all the Gen Ed core. Click all the courses that you want to add. Remember, you can sort by prefix. It makes it a lot faster. So you just simply add all of those. Shows your selected courses here, and put Add Courses to the proposal. So now you have a list of courses. The next part is building your core, which is, like I said, the headings in the catalog. You're going to click here, and notice there's nothing here. It's all brand new. So the first step is adding a core. And if you want to title this one Requirements, you can then list all of the courses for those requirements. So if all of these are required for the program, you can select multiple and click Add those. A lot of people also add notes. So if you click Add New Core, let's go back to this. I did not title it. Let's see. After you click Save All Changes, and you have to scroll back up, when you go to Prospective Curriculum, you'll see now where it's titled Requirements. You can add anything that you want. It's all based on what your program wants. I would recommend you contacting Suzanne Garrett if you did have any questions on how you want to build it in the catalog, because Curriculog is going to push directly into the catalog. So you're basically building your catalog here. You can title it whatever you want if you wanted to add a description. So if you're just wanting to add a core and title it Additional Information, you can click here and type in a text box with all the information here. That's similar to this. One of the cores is called Students Must Choose an Option, and then they listed this here. So you can do that as well. There's many options that you can do, but the main important thing is adding the courses to your program. That's it for adding curriculum. For any questions, please contact Curriculog at westga.edu.